Hey everybody, what's up? Hey, all of you out there, are you like a lot of people? Your laptop is your primary computer and you're not getting the most use out of it that you were hoping? Well, GIISSMO has a solution for you, and we're going to review it in this next episode of Good Tech Cheap. It's a multi-use docking station. Come check it out. Come on. Hey everyone, what's up, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin, and today, as I mentioned, we are going to be reviewing the GIISSMO docking station. This is a multifunctional docking station with a lot of different outlets that will accommodate many different things, including one or two additional monitors to turn your laptop into a complete professional workstation. That's right, it's a 9-in-1 docking station. You got USB 3.0, you got a dual monitor adapter, a 10 gig a second USB 3.1 port, you got gigabit Ethernet, a VGA mini size cable, and it works with Macs, it works with MacBook M1 chips, it works with Windows laptops. It is very compatible with a lot of different things. And it comes with a built-in adapter, so you're covered no matter what kind of main connection you need in your laptop. You can convert the USB-C connector that comes with it. You just pull off the cap, and there's a USB-A port right inside. It stays connected, also very helpful right there. There are two HDMI ports, there's one VGA port, there are two USB 3.1 ports, there are two USB 2.0 ports, and there's a USB charging port. So it's a lot of ground that you can cover right there. Now it's a dual monitor docking station, as I mentioned, and this is going to allow you to take your simple laptop and turn it into an actual fully functioning workstation. You could attach a full-size keyboard, and to that you could attach a mouse. You could have a monitor. You could actually plug in and get hardwired internet. And if you have a display, flat screen or something, that VGA port is also going to come in handy. Or you can use that and the HDMI port, and there you go, two additional monitors. All you have to do is download the driver, Silicon Motion, install it on your laptop, and you're good to go. Another neat thing is that the USB 3.1 ports are backwards compatible. If you have a device that only goes up to USB 2, or that's your connection cable, you are still able to use it. The faster speeds are there for the proper cables and proper devices, but the compatibility, the cross-compatibility, is also very helpful and very useful. One thing to note though is that if you have a device that is compatible and your cable connection is USB 3.1, the data transfer to a hard drive is fast. One thing to note, your GIISSMO docking station is compatible with Mac 10.6 or Windows 7 and above. So please note that before purchasing or buying one as a gift. And GIISSMO wants all of you out there to be satisfied with this multi-use 9-in-1 docking station. They provide 24-hour customer service. If there is dissatisfaction for any reason or something is not operating properly, they will handle it for you. To find out more about that and to get all the specs that I've listed and talked about in this video and shown you, so you can just have a list, click on that link in the description below. But wait, there's more. GIISSMO is sponsoring a Father's Day sale. That's right. There's some special offers in that link and also a giveaway. To find out how you might actually win a docking station of your own, click on that link. You'll be glad you did. All right, check it out. We have our GIISSMO 9-in-1 hooked up. I'm doing a lot of different things with it right now. I wish I actually had wired internet instead of wireless, because having an Ethernet port to connect to your laptop is always a great thing. This is the kind of setup that I have on the go. I work a lot on the road, and I record a lot of my own voiceover for our documentary project. So I have my microphone plugged in. You can actually see with the red light blinking that it is on right now. I have some camera batteries charging. One is already charged, you can see because it's green, and the other one's still charging. I have a power bank charging. I use that mostly for my phone. And I have what I call the satellite drive, which is what I like to use on the go. And you can actually see it right there. great. I also connected an additional monitor. I'm going to move this window over. And move my mouse over. And there you are. So everything is working. It's a very compact package to do and connect all these things, which I think is really great. Let's get the mouse back over. Installation was as easy as going to the Silicon Motion website that is listed in the instruction booklet. When you have a Macintosh, you get the OS version. I got the latest version, downloaded it, and was able to install it in just a few minutes. Alright, so here, you can see me moving it, is the hard drive that is plugged in. So it's nice to just have that immediately available on my desktop. And let's move this tourism pitch deck that I was working on to it. We're talking a very high speed of transfer. There's no delay and there's no waiting. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for today. I'd like to thank GIISSMO for sponsoring this video. It was a pleasure to review the docking station, and I can attest to the fact that with the M1 laptop that I have with its 2 USB-C ports, this was a great way to expand its usability. Having another monitor was wonderful. Having the option for additional outputs was great. Connecting hard drives to it, connecting a keyboard and a mouse, and just making everything that functional, and it all packs up and travels pretty light too. I really liked it. To find out more, once again, please click on that link in the description below for the Father's Day special, for special deals that you can get, and for the giveaway. Please check it out. As your host, Kevin from Los Angeles, I just wanted to say to everyone out there, thank you for watching. Please like this video if you can, subscribe if you can, and turn on that notification bell if you subscribe, because I'd love to have you watch more episodes of Good Tech Cheap and check out great tech like we reviewed today. That'll happen next time. So for now, stay safe, be kind, and I will see you next time.